To chrome delete or not chrome delete? That is not the question. The question is, do you pay someone to do it professionally or do you do it yourself? Welcome to the Culprit Pit. Now, on my Model X, I took it to a professional chrome deleter. Now, I searched around and I found a good price, $600. Don't forget, you get what you pay for. So this was a lot lower than everyone else, and let's just say I was less than impressed with the results. Some of the edges were a little rough. It actually came off right here by the side mirror on the first day. So I contacted the owner and I let him know I was not very satisfied with the results. Now, it was in San Diego, a couple hours away from me, so it was a little harder for me to get back down there, so he did give me some money back towards it. Let's just say I had more than one bad experience with that place. So if you're getting some work done in San Diego, take your time and choose wisely. So he kicked me some money back. I'm like, all right, it's not that big of a deal. You get what you pay for. Lesson learned. So when I got my Model 3, I said, you know what? Let me see if I can do it myself. So I looked online for some of the best DIY kits, and I came across TesBros. Instructions look pretty straightforward. Now, I hate putting on skins on my phones and my laptop and even putting screen protectors on. I'm not the best at it, lining it up and this and that. But regardless, I was like, do I want to do this? The price was $150, and I said, you know what? That's a lot better than $600, and it's a lot better than some of the other places. And I care more about my car than any of those other installers would. So I said, let me go ahead and try it. So for most of the project, I followed all of the tutorials they have on their website. One of the things I would suggest is when you're starting with the back panel, you actually start right here on the point in the corner and then work your way out. The other tip I would use is try not to stretch it out. So don't pull the actual tape itself. Lay it across and then just pull it up and maneuver it there. Once you stretch it out too much, it kind of loses its shape. But looking at the whole setup, if you thought that the hardest part was the side mirrors, you were right. So the side mirror came in 10 pieces. They are numbered 1 through 10. And after doing the driver's side, I had more confidence on the passenger side to do it without following the instructions. So you get better. I actually told my wife, I said, you know what, I might start doing this on the side. Difficulty level on a scale of 1 to 10 is a 6. It's not the hardest job to do because you can always pull it up and reapply it. You just need to take a lot of time and patience. It took me about, I would say about 4 hours in total. It actually sped up the process when she came the second day to help me out because she came back behind it with the hair dryer and tucked it a little tighter. But doing it myself, I probably would have taken about 5 hours to do it all. It's not perfect, but neither was my $600 job. I tried my best, and actually I came back to the driver's side and redid the back panel because I wasn't satisfied. This was the very first part I did, so I went back to do it again. I feel better about it now. Like I said, I saved a lot of money and I got to spend some quality time with her. They do come with 2 sets of every piece in case there's any mistakes. Like I said, I was able to redo a part. Do I recommend it? If you have a lot of time, if you have 5-6 hours on the weekend or a little bit every day that you can work on it, it's doable. Now my passenger side looked much better than my driver's side. And I did see some areas where I could improve on. Probably end up plastic dipping this. Not sure if I like the chrome peaking. It kind of gives it some depth, but I don't know if I like that. From a distance, it looks pretty good. And you have to look really closely to find some mistakes. And like I said, I'm not very good at this, but I recommend TesBros' product. If I had the option, I would do it again. And I don't know, I just like the results. It's not too many Model 3s and even Model X's out there that have chrome delete. We always call them off like, oh, they got chrome delete, they got chrome delete. So it made your car look a little different without making it look stand out too much. in my opinion, makes the car look a little more stealthy, but to each their own. Chrome looks good too. Thanks for watching, and don't forget, Cobra told you. All right, y'all.